Hello dear students, welcome to your geography class. We are doing chapter Europe and this is a revision video 2. So today's topic is physical divisions of Europe. There are four main physical divisions of Europe: the northern western highlands, the northern lowlands, the central uplands, the alpine mountain system. The northwestern highlands. Highlands means mountain ranges. The region is formed by old plateaus and mountains. It is located in the northern Scotland, northwestern part of Norway and Sweden, Wales and Ireland. Wales is the country in United Kingdom. Glaciers have cut deep and narrow valleys here. These valleys, when filled up with seawater along the coast, are called fjords. The fjord is shown in the picture. The northern lowlands. Its location is from Ural Mountains in the east to the Atlantic coast in the west. These are formed by alluvial deposits of rivers. Means when rivers bring new soil, that is called alluvial. Many rivers flow in this area. This area is rich in mineral deposits. Next is the central uplands, means the mountain ranges which are located in the center of the Europe. The region is made up of mountains, hills and plateaus. Their height is decreased due to constant erosion. These uplands include Meseta in Spain, the Central Massif and Jura Mountains in France, and the Black Forest Mountains in Germany. The Rhine and Rhone are the two main rivers of this area. The Danube, which is the second largest river in Europe, also originates in the Black Forest Mountains. The entire region contains the largest concentration of extinct volcanoes in the world, with approximately 450 volcanoes. The Alpine mountain system. It is located in South Europe. These are Jungfrau mountains. Highest point is Mount Elbrus, which is located in the Caucasus, and Mont Blanc is located in the Alps. These are the two mountain peaks of Europe, two highest mountain peaks of Europe. Mount Elbrus is the highest and Mont Blanc is the second highest, and it is located in Alps. Europe's lowest point is the surface of the Caspian Sea, which is the 28 meter below sea level. Dear students, here is a geography quiz for you. Pause the video and answer the questions. That's all for now. Thank you so much.